And thank you so much for joining me. I'm sorry that you can't see me very well. Well, actually, you can. Good morning, everybody. Okay, today we're going to go ahead and talk about the potential for severe weather for Southeast Michigan. We were having technical difficulties with the camera, so unfortunately, I was able to fix that error, and we're ready to talk about the weather forecast updates and severe weather potential for Southeast Michigan. So this is what we can expect, everybody. So for today, our focus will be the weather today, and then we'll focus on the severe weather. We'll talk about that in general in just a couple of moments. So for today, comfortable weather, uh, severe thunderstorms are possible for Southeast Michigan on Friday night. So just be aware of that as well. And then we'll talk about the current temperatures right now. So these are temps that we'll see across Southeast Michigan today. So Saginaw, you'll have a high of 81 degrees. Flint, 81 degrees. Howell, 80. Pontiac, 80 degrees. Ann Arbor, 80 degrees. Detroit, 81. Adrian, 80. Monroe, 80 degrees. Port Huron, 77. Sandusky, 78. And Bad Axe, 79 degrees. So it's going to be in the mid to um, upper 80s. I'm going to say 80s, basically. Uh, Upper mid 70s and 80s. So that's as far as I'm going to go with that. So I don't want to get too excited about that, right? Okay, so forecast highlights are comfortable weather. Comfortable weather will continue for us in Southeast Michigan today. So as a matter of fact, it's actually the sunshine is out. So that's actually a good start to our day, right? And that does make us all feel happy. So today's going to be a good day. So this will actually give you the chance to get outside and enjoy it. Okay, so slight chance of a pop-up thunderstorm after 2 p.m. That will be east of Detroit. That's not really going to be a big ordeal or anything because we're not going to see the biggest potential for severe weather. Where we'll have our better chances for severe weather. That is going to be tomorrow's next event, and we'll get to that in just a few minutes. So stay tuned for that. I've got you covered, so that's coming up in the next couple of minutes. Severe thunderstorms possible between the hours of 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. on Friday morning. So just wanted to let you know. So on Friday evening at 6 o'clock to 2 a.m. is when the severe thunderstorms and severe weather action will be approaching Southeast Michigan. So just be aware of that as well. Keep that in mind. So Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we'll go ahead and talk about that. And then we'll go ahead and go onward and upward with our forecast. For today, there is maybe a chance of an isolated shower or two today. It's not really going to be a big ordeal for today because we have very low percentage and we're at 25% for precipitation for today. So the main target for precipitation and severe weather, that all comes tomorrow. So we'll get to that in just a moment. We'll have a wind coming from the west at 50 miles per hour for today, and then the low is going to be 64 for a low and 81 degrees today. It's going to be very, very nice and sunshine and breezy today, so that does sound very exciting. Okay, showers, and severe thunderstorms, and those thunderstorms will be on the strong side. And also, the potential that I am most concerned about will be the damaging wind threat. We're going to have damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour. I thought I'd give you a heads up, even though I know some of the stuff that's on the report. So the most thing that I'm generally going to be concerned about is going to be the damaging wind potential up to 60 miles per hour, possible straight line winds, and also there's a possibility of tornadoes. I'm going to go ahead and rule that in there. So tornadoes are a possibility with the storm, with the severe weather threat that we will be expecting tomorrow. It's not a potential threat, but I always add that in there generally because it's part of a severe weather event. So I'll be watching for the tornado uh, possibilities for tomorrow. So I most definitely will keep you posted on that one, guaranteed. So I'll let you know if that's going to happen. But I always add that in there as a possibility. So that's something to look out for. So if there are tornado warnings, make sure that you get to your sheltered area. But we'll worry about all of that when the storm system gets closer to us. Then I'll be able to modify everything and update you throughout the day and give you more of an up-to-date forecast on this. This is just all planned out at this moment. So I will let you know if that does change throughout the day and overnight hours. So it's going to be one of those busy days for me. So this is what we can expect. So thunderstorms, no thunderstorms before 6 p.m. So you guys know that. Most likely the time frame for severe weather is going to be between 8 p.m. and 2 a.m. So I just thought I'd let you know about that. And the severe weather threat will be for all of Southeast Michigan. So we will be under that target zone for severe weather for tomorrow night. So please make sure that you do have a plan of action. Make sure that you have, I'm sorry if you can't see me very well, but I generally want to make sure that you're able to see the computer up there, mainly, and me. So what I'm just saying is please make sure that you have a severe weather plan in place because the potential concern will be power outages, most definitely. So please keep that in mind as well. So make sure that you have your chart. Make sure you've got your phone, all of your electronic devices, the devices that you urgently need to have, definitely your cell phone. So make sure that you have them charged up. If not, please consider using a portable battery charger. Make sure that you have extra money, that type of thing. Just the important wants and needs that you might need for this severe weather event that does go into play for tomorrow for Southeast Michigan. So there is the potential for severe thunderstorms on Friday evening across Southeast Michigan and Maine. Hazard is going to be damaging wind threat, 60 per hour winds, and tornadoes cannot be ruled out. So definitely the damaging wind threat is going to be a concern, and then tornadoes cannot be ruled out, and possibly straight line winds. We'll find out when the storm system gets here, and we'll find out exactly where we're at. So I'll know specifically tomorrow what's going to be expected for Southeast Michigan. So I'll have another severe weather forecast update for you. I'll have that up later on this afternoon when we get an updated forecast. So pretty much that's about it. Let me just show you some other two things, and I think we've got it all covered. Let's show you what's going on specifically right now. Okay, so you can see that we are in that target zone for severe weather. We're highlighted and circled in yellow. So this is the target zone for severe weather. So just about all of us in Michigan are going to see severe weather from the front and the back. So we're all going to get our share of severe weather indefinitely, ladies and gentlemen. So it's going to be quite interesting once it gets here. So, yeah, it's going to be one of those busy days, right? Okay, but the good news is that none of us in Southeast Michigan, we do not have any precipitation. Everything is fairly quiet today, so there's no activity that we have to mainly be concerned about. So we're actually in the clear, but it's generally going to be tomorrow that is going to be the most concern potential. That is going to be something that will have to be monitored very closely, and I will actually be monitoring the severe weather potential, and I'll be watching that for the next 24 to 48 hours. And so I'll kind of stay on top of that and give you up to date information as necessary. So please make sure that you stay tuned and get updated forecast and immediate severe weather updates. And thank you so much, everybody, for staying tuned and joining us. And we're always on your side. We're always here for you, regardless what kind of weather event we have. We're always here. We've got 24/7 weather coverage for you, so you most definitely can stay tuned for that as well. So we've got y'all covered here, and that is pretty much about it. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll have another severe weather update and forecast for you tonight at 10 p.m. And I'll keep you posted on the severe weather threat for Southeast Michigan. You guys have a good day, and thank you for joining us. And please also remember to prescribe, and please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button. And each time that I do a weather forecast, you'll get notifications when I put up a new weather forecast. You guys have a good day, and just stay clear and alert tomorrow for our severe weather potential for Southeast Michigan. And I will keep you up to date and up to speed, and we got you covered here 24 hours for the next several hours, as a matter of fact. So we'll see you then. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you later.